What up, squad? And hello to everybody just passing through. Today, guys, we are going to be making a planted filter for the 120-gallon aquarium. Going to start out with a couple pictures as I was putting it together, because at first I wasn't sure if it was going to work. So instead of taking the time to film it all and go through that later, I just documented some pictures. And then from there, we'll kind of get some plants in it and see how it comes out. So stay with us and see what the final product looks like. Alright, so just added some gravel into here. Underneath the gravel, some lava rock. That way we got porous material for the water to flow through. We got the gravel bed, which will keep the dirt from falling through. Next I'm going to add some dirt, and then we're going to add some plants. That is everything put together for now. Added the gravel, threw in some soil, added these couple little ivy plants. As you can see to the left of the left ivy.
My name is Jeff!
As you can see to the left there, it's already soaking up water. So hopefully after a little bit of time here, we'll see the ivy start growing, and hopefully this works out. Alrighty, so let's see. Just because I know I forgot to film it, ignore some of the particles still in there. That's why it all got cleaned out. But this is the lava rock that is in the base of here, and basically I put lava rock up to even with the tops of the drain of the piping on the inside of this box, so that the water can flow and have a good amount of room to sit and flow through. Then there's probably an inch and a half of gravel, and then another inch and a half of soil here, so that you got your water bed, your air barrier in the gravel, so there's some dryness in there, but also allows for, as you can see, the moisture to wick into the soil, but it'll allow the roots to go down and have spots that aren't as wet. But I just wanted to cover that since I forgot to document the lava rock layer, and the gravel and all that. So I just wanted to make sure that, put a side note here of what all went in and to what levels. And secondary, that lava rock being submerged will create a good bacteria culture environment that will both clean the water further and probably help the plants out a little bit. As I said before, we're going to take these ivies, grow them out, and if they show signs that they're not doing well in here, they'll be transplanted out and something else will go in there. Also just threw a couple seeds of some cat grass and some cilantro, so we'll see if those take off and do any good in here. I'm going to try a couple different things, get some greenery growing. I already love the the way it looks on the tank, and just add a little bit of greenery at the top. I think really adds something to the tank, and once it gets established, it'll make for cleaner water. So that's it for this one for now, guys. So there we got it. The planted filter for the 120 gallon aquarium. The lava rock serves as a extra biofilter, which will both work in conjunction with the plants and pulling nitrates and converting all that, and just that beneficial relationship between the bacteria and the plants themselves. Not to mention, it gives a beautiful little addition to the look of the aquarium. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave us a thumbs up. Lets me know you like this kind of stuff and to do more of it. If you got any comments, suggestions, anything that you guys think that I should grow in there, besides the ivy or like the grasses or something, please drop it in the comments. I don't think that everything's going to end up surviving in there. We'll check back in a couple weeks to find out. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that. Hit that bell notification so you get notified when that video comes out so you don't miss it. And until next time, guys, catch you later.
Sleeping on my city with lyrical by committee. This swamp is stomping them, you know one drama, I mean not any.